Hey, what's up guys? My name is Dan Coconati, and today we're going to be taking a look at the song called Fix Your Face by MGK featuring Durst. Now this song is in drop C tuning, so that means your strings are going to be C, G, C, F, A, and D. So get yourself a tune, and then we're going to start on this lesson. All right, let's take a look at our intro for Fix Your Face. So we're actually just grooving in between two notes here, and they're really just power chords, but they're bar chords. So it's gonna be a bar power chord though on your 6th fret, so that's a 6th fret, the low E, and then your A and your D, and you're just barring that 6th fret. And then it goes to the 5th fret. And you're just going in between these two. Okay, and that is quite literally the entire riff, just jumping in between these two bar chords on your 6th and your 5th string here. So really to just show it and make it really simplistic, I'll just try to show you here with the one finger. And you really, you gotta listen to the song to hear when you kind of do that weird transition, but it kind of happens right before we get into the next stanza. But again, that's just going in between that 6th fret power chord to the 5th. And that's our intro. All right, let's look at the chorus of Fix Your Face. So I did make a little bit of the error on the harmonic there. I apologize. I did just pick this song up by ear about 5 minutes ago. So just trying to feed the fam here by teaching you guys this lesson quick. So the riff here, we got that power chord mentality, that we were doing in the intro. And again, it's just a bar chord power chord. And it's gonna be, so a 3rd fret bar chord, right? So 3, 3, 3. Right? And that's the first note. So 3, and then you're gonna hammer onto 5. So 3, 5, 5. And then, so then you come on up to the 6th fret. So 6 to 5 then. So 3, 5, 5, 6, 5, 5. And then you finish it with 3, 5, 5. One more time. So all together. Okay, that's the first half of the chorus, and then second half, we go into this. Okay, so all that is a 3, 5, again, those are the bar chords, and then a harmonic on your 5th fret of the B and the G, and you're gonna get those together. Okay, and if you don't know what a harmonic is, it's basically you're just resting your finger on top of the string, you're not pushing on it completely, you're just resting it to just get it to vibrate in a sense, and that's how it creates that unique sound. So second half of the chorus is, and then so 3, 5 harmonic, 6, 5 harmonic, and then 3, 5, and then you rest. And then it quite literally just repeats again to the, and then it goes into the harmonic again, So that's really the chorus. I'm gonna try to play this as slow as I can so you can follow along, but hopefully that's all making sense for you there. So let's play it really slow together, and I'll get some tabs on the screen so you can follow along. All right, so let's just take a look at our breakdown part here. Similar idea we got going. We're just sticking to the one note though, and that's that bar chord on your 5th fret. And you're gonna be palm muting this. So just kind of resting that palm on the, on the strings down here. So, and then similar idea, we're gonna get in that harmonic on our 5th fret of our G and our B. You could honestly probably just play the 5th fret harmonic of the G, because that sounds pretty accurate. I think it sounds cooler if you get the 2 though together, but again, 5th fret, if you wanna get 2, that's just on that G string, or the G and the B, whatever you think sounds better. But so the bridge, again, you're just playing that 5th fret power chord and then going in between the harmonics on the 5th fret as well of your G and your B. So. And that is quite literally the breakdown. So let's just play that really slowly and hopefully that's making sense. Thank you guys so much for checking out this guitar tutorial on the song called Fix Your Face by MGK featuring Fred Durst. Now, if this helped you out and you're able to learn the song, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe, and be ready for more future guitar videos. Thanks.